Breakfast meal and 2 snacks for an entire fat loss meal prep. So we have these chicken hex sausages. You can use turkey sausages as well. I am going to cut the medallion out of these. Again, you can use turkey bacon. I've got some spinach. That's going to round off my breakfast. Now, we'll show you exactly how I prep these. Snacks, mid-morning snacks, so variations of Greek yogurt, high protein yogurts. These have got like 15 grams each. These are good to go. Moving on to the lunch. This is going to be the basic ingredients, chicken and rice, but I'm going to make it actually taste good so that it's not bland and boring. And then dinner is going to be some turkey burgers. Again, I've got some brioche buns here, some turkey mince, some salad, and have a couple of protein bars here for some snacks as well. First things first, give your pan a spray. Again, what you want to avoid with frying foods is oil. That is an absolute killer for calories. Now, I'm going to have 3 of these, but I'm putting 6 in because I'm cooking for Amy as well. They will literally take 5 minutes max, but put these on first, get my bacon ready, and also time to get the spinach ready. So next for the spinach, all I do is take a handful and press it down into a bowl. Try not to throw all over your worktop, and then just take a splash of water and pour it over it. Then I'm just going to steam these. This is going to go in the microwave for 2 minutes, but I'm going to wait until it's time. I'm going to cover this with cling film, and then I'm going to get out the sausages ready. So the sausages are a couple of minutes from being done. Next, I have the bacon medallions. All I've done is pull the fat off, and I am left with 2 relatively lean cuts of bacon. So these go in for literally a minute and a half either side, and they should be good to go. So you just drain the water out of the spinach, and you just do that in the sink. And that is it. Now it does shrink about 4 times its size. I have my sausages ready. They're good to go, and my bacon is also finished. So I now have a healthy sausages and bacon breakfast. This is going to be chicken and rice with an enjoyable twist. So we're going to make Thai sweet chili chicken. I have some chicken breasts here. I have 1 golden vegetable pouch of rice, and I have some peas, along with some garlic, some Cajun, some sweet chili sauce, and some salt black pepper. I'm only making 2 portions. You can make more if you want to do so, but that's all I need. This is around 300 grams of chicken, 1 packet of rice, and we're good to go. First thing is first, we're going to chop up the chicken. You don't want to do that. So I'm just going to cut this fat off. Nothing hugely wrong with the fat, but I just don't like it. And then I'm just going to slice my chicken into strips like this. Simple and easy. Now you can cut them whatever you like, but I just prefer strips. So next I'm going to season this chicken. So we're going to do salt, some ground black pepper, going to do some Cajun, and we're also going to do some garlic. Then I'm just going to mix these around and coat the entire chicken. Then it's going to go straight into the air fryer. I'm going to put a little bit more seasoning on. I like to cover mine. Now I'm doing mine in the air fryer. These are going to take maybe 7 to 10 minutes max. If you want to do it in the oven or just fry in a pan, that's absolutely fine also, but that's going to then allow me to go and work on the rest of the meal. Next things first in this gourmet level meal is to take the microwave rice, put it in the microwave, and set the timer to 2 minutes. Now, by the way, if you have not picked up your completely free meal plan that will show you exactly what to eat, how much, and when, do so at the link below in the description. Next things next, if that's even a thing, is I'm going to cook up my peas. Now these are frozen peas. These are easy. I much prefer frozen veg. I'm just going to take a splash of water that Amy's just going to show in a second. So literally, that's it, splash. Nothing crazy. And then all I'm going to do is take this cellophane or whatever you want to call it, cling film, wrap it over the top, and it's good to go. So all we're going to do is cover it over the top, tear that off, and that'll get 2 minutes in the microwave to steam the veg, and that's us sorted. So for the peas, you just need to drain that out and let it go. I don't know if you can see that. That's good to go. I'm just going to finish this off with a little bit of sweet chili. And there you have it. An easy, healthy, simple, literally this took 15 minutes meal prep that is chicken and rice, but actually tastes pretty fucking good. Got some salt on there to finish. That is my meal prep. These glass containers are really helpful as well. You will find the link for these down in the description, and we do have a recommended product list down there. I have about a third of my turkey mince here, which is about 170 grams per serving. So I've got some Cajun, some garlic, and I'm going to put some salt and pepper in. Key point is I have wetted my hands a little bit just before I mix these in. You know, all you need to do is get your hands good to go. Now, I have ordered a burger press to make some high quality patties, but if you don't, you're probably just going to need to do what I do here, which is squeeze them into 2 balls, form them into relatively similar sizes, just do a little bit of mixing and then squash down. Then I'm going to put straight into my heated up pan. Pan is on a high heat, and I'm just going to throw these straight in. They will literally need a couple of minutes each side, nothing crazy. Just flatten them down, throw them in, nice little slap there, and you're good to go. So I've literally just flipped these burgers. I'm going to take my cheese and just fold it on here. It will require, in this case, a little bit of juggling going on here, but we're good to go. I'll give that another minute or so, and they should be good to go. My turkey burgers are cooked and ready to go. I am just going to sit these off to the side in a plate. Next part is toasting these buns. So all I'm going to do is take some of this spray it onto one of the buns. I'll give the pan a little bit of a spray also, and I like to crisp these up. This is optional, you do not need to do it, but I find it to add a little bit of flavour as well. These get maybe 30 seconds to a minute, just watch not to burn them. So my bread is done. I am just going to sit my turkey burgers right onto the bottom half now. I've got some low sugar ketchup as well. Going to top it off with a little bit of that. You can throw some additional veg or relish or whatever onto those to your liking, and the turkey burger recipe is good to go. All done. Off to the side there's going to be a couple more videos just like this one. Also the recipe playlist is going to be there as well. Make sure and check those out if you're looking for more healthy, easy, quick, convenient fat loss recipes for building muscle as well. You'll also see loads of them linked down in the description of our top 5 recipes. Make sure and check those out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future updates. And of course, let me know, what would you like to see what would you like me to try next in terms of recipes? See you all in the next one. Let me know below.